Hi everyone, I'm down at our Access Townhome. So you can see over my shoulder, our Windsors frames are going up as we speak. There's the crane in the background. Now we do have one Windsor still available, that is Townhome 2066. Now the awesome thing about this townhome is you actually get a little bit more land. So the land's a tick over 200 square metres. The price for that townhome is $464,500. It is the last remaining Windsor that we will have available. You'll also see over here our Rosedales are going along gangbusters as well. So if you want to have a chat to us about all things Access, please give us a call. Have a great day.